When I opened in 2022, we had a changing
Adam's
room.
here helping me today. So hi, Adam. This used to be a changing room for whoever had this years ago. So we're gonna take this down so that this area can become my work area, and this can become more retail centric, so I can get more bang for my buck. Adam and Mom, demo day, take one.
Adam was essential in helping me get this shop set up when we first opened. He now lives in Minneapolis and is finishing school, and I miss him so much. Check this area out now. This is where our kid area is, and I love it. Jen, I'm passionate about reusing and saving old things.